All right, today I have a Jeep Grand Cherokee and I'm going to show you how to turn on and off the windshield wipers and the windshield washer to wash the windshield, as well as how to turn on and off the rear window wiper and the rear window washer. I'm going to show you how to do that. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so I'm inside of the Jeep Grand Cherokee. Now, in order to turn on the windshield wipers, what you'll do is you'll look through the steering wheel right here, and you see this right here, this lever right here. Getting closer so you can see this. So this right here, this is where the controls for the windshield wiper and washer for the windshield and the rear wiper. Let's go over the windshield wiper first. So I take this lever right here, and you see this right here. It shows right here that it is off. Okay, now it is currently off. There is no windshield wiper action going on, but to turn it on, all I have to do, right, with this is go ahead and spin this knob just once right here, and it turns on into intermittent mode right here. So it's intermittent mode, higher intermittence. This is right here. So when you're in intermittent mode, it is turning on automatically once the vehicle detects that the windshield has water on it. And this is just the intermittence that it goes by right here. Now, say for instance, you want to do it in manual mode and you just want to have it on low. You'll take this same knob right here and turn it until you see the low right here. You see it? It's low, not all the way to the flow, but it is low. All right, you can see that the windshield wipers are on low. Now, if I want it high, all the way up to the sky, what I'll do is go right here and I'll turn this knob one more again. And you see that right there? It is on high. Now to turn it off, I am going to go ahead and go to the off right there. Okay, so now it's in the off. Now, in order to get the mist, there's a mist feature where if you get a mist on your windshield, you could just take this lever right here, pull it up once, release it, and it'll just wipe one time. I'll do it again. And it just wipes one time to get that mist off. Okay, so now you have that. Now, to turn on the windshield washer for the windshield, I'll get to the rear window after that. What you'll do is you'll have this right here and this lever. And what I'll do is I will take this lever and I will pull it towards me. And when I pull it towards me, you'll see that the windshield actually starts to wash. Watch this. See that? Windshield washer fluid comes out and it is washing the windshield. And when I release it, the fluid comes out, it wipes a couple of times, and it is off. So you have that. All right, so that is for the windshield. Now for the rear window, okay? In order to turn on the rear window wiper, you'll just see right here, it says that it's off right here. That's, you wonder why? Because it is indeed off, okay? Now to turn it on, I'll just take this lever right here, turn it right here. This is intermittence right here. It'll detect it when it needs to wipe, or you can have it on. And right here, you see it's on, it's wiping right there. There is no low speed right here. It's just on, off, or intermittence. All right, and when I want to turn it off, I just go right here and pull it all the way back until it lines up to off. Now, in order to turn on the rear window wiper or washer, what I'll do is I'll take this lever, push it away from me, and you'll see that it goes out, washer fluid goes out, and it wipes the rear window. And when I release this lever, it goes off, and there you have it. And that is how you operate the windshield wiper, the windshield washer, the rear window wiper, and the rear window washer in a Jeep Grand Cherokee. Hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching, and washing.